эвакуатора. 17 мая в станице Ольгинская он увидел на улице 8-летнюю девочку и предложил подвезти ее до дома, пишет издание 161.ru. А когда та села в машину, связал ее и задушил, надев на голову пакет. Шенгерея арестовали, но до суда он, вероятно, не дожил. Издание 161.ru написало, что Шенгерея убили в СИЗО после его признания сокамерником, что он его обвиняет. Однако во всей информацию о его смерти пока не подтверждают. Признание сокамерником оказался с ними рядом. Ведь это только те истории, в чем его обвиняют. Однако...
So guys, please don't be that guy who cut me off. He saw that I have much greater speed than he had, and he still tried to get in front of me. And I use all emergency brake, and like he saw it, I pull the trailer. He don't give a damn. So I almost did an accident. So please don't be that guy. Another week, another camping.
6.2 miles.
Oh.
Take exit 271, I-69 west toward Flint, I-69 business toward Port Huron.
Okay. So I would say, if I can say, another week, another camping. This time I'm going to LakePort State Park. It's a Port Huron area. It's a campground located on Lake Huron. Very nice campground. There are two campgrounds, south and north. I think it's total around 500 sites, all electric, and it's very nice campground. And one more plus, it's close to my house. So I will see you there. Roundabout and finish line. So Port Huron is a good campsite, but not a lot of activities.
Continue straight for 6 minutes to Birch Road.
Not a lot of activities. Well, not a lot of activities for me, because I like to go fishing, and there are no fish close on the shore. You have to use a boat. I don't have a boat, I have kayak. I don't want to go too far on my kayak. There are no mushrooms. Well, I would say some years with mushrooms, but most of the years there are no mushrooms there. So just it's a nice local beach, campground beach. It has own beach, and I like it a lot. It's not very crowded, and water decent temperature in the middle of summer, and that's it. And outdoor activities like grilling. All right, going there. So for these 2 days, this site number 5, it's kinda private, exclusive area. I put my trailer so it's blocked from neighbors, and I can see a whole campground in front of me. I always try to book campsite private as possible, but not every time it works great, but usually it does. I book my sites 6 months in advance, and sometimes we come and it's rain, so but at least I have good campsite. But camping is not about the weather. Camping it's about how you can relax. So I think it's gonna be great 2 days. Not, as I said before, it's not a lot of activities for me. So maybe this video will be short, I don't know yet. But it will be kinda quiet time for me. always check with your switch protector before you hook up to it. Yeah, it's good, 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 all good. Alright, hold down. Now I will unpack it and start my camping.
Было желание создать массовое производство пропаганды, и этого не случилось. Случилось этого потому, что, скажем, перевод медицинского, это тоже, это на безопасность, потому что перевод строить начали. У меня есть отдельная статья по этому поводу, которая в книжку вошла. Перевод начали строить еще где-то осенью.
If you like my wind covers, description below. Use Solo 10 to save $10 of your order. Pass. Rule number 1. Cold beer and sunny hot day. A must. Cheers, my friend. Oh, it's good. I just show you around some campground, local park where you can rent some cabins and forest. It's very rare to find some mushrooms here. And last 15 years I coming here, this campground. I found maybe 2 or 3 times good mushrooms. So it's not mushroom forest. Let's wait till next my video. I plan to go to LakePort State Park. There should be some mushrooms somewhere. Let me eat my classic camping breakfast, and I will check a local beach. Cheers, my friend. So, eggs, bacon, toast. Nothing special. Finally it's dinner time, and today is lamb. I marinated overnight, and it's actually not lamb. It's lamb, but lamb kebab. Lamb kebab. I'll put in my skewers. So, lamb kebab, some salad, potatoes, and glass of wine. Guys, if you have different idea what's the best for dinner, leave a comment below. And next my camping, I will do your suggestion. So let me know what's your dinner menu looks like. Okay. Done so far. Oh yeah, I think I'm ready to serve. What do you say? Yeah, you're right. I need children. Cheers, my friends, my subscribers, my future subscribers, my viewers. So please let me know in the comments what would you like to see in the next video, and I will try to do it. Cheers. Grilled dinner, the best part of my camping. Second best part is dump station. Morning guys, I will stay more days here, spend more time this beautiful camping, but we have to go home sometimes and do work, go back to work. Otherwise, if no work, no camping. I don't have wealthy sponsor who will support me for my camping, my living, and not work. Okay, I will see you in a couple weeks.